Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Unihair, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. So without no further ado, let's head to the video. So today's video is all about this wig. First things first, I love the texture. It's very silky and very smooth, but before we continue, let me first put on a wig cap. This is a 24-inch black wig, bone straight, 24 inches. It's very long. This is the length of the wig, you guys. How cute is it? There's single drawn, double drawn, super double. Mine is double drawn. I think the weight is 300 grams, and I got the wig from Unihair. So we are going to be talking about this hair company. They also do wholesale and retail prices, so a factory. And another thing, after ordering, it's going to take a few weeks for you to get it. I think mine took like 2 to 3 weeks for it to be done because it's handmade. They make it from scratch. My lace is a 4x4 lace, from here to here 4 inches, from here to here 4 inches. So I really can't wait to try out this wig with you guys. And I'm in Kenya, and it took like 4 days to get to my country. So if you're from here, you can get it delivered to your location. They actually came to my doorstep. And they also sell bob wigs, curly wigs, bone straight wigs. So how do you order? You can check them out on Instagram, on YouTube, and they also have a website, so you can contact them. Another thing is, it's not the actual wig or it's damaged, you can have it replaced. So you don't need to worry if in any case you don't get what you need. They will definitely have you covered for that. So let's head to the video. We have done enough talking. This is what I've done. I'll be using my Maybelline foundation. Kindly hit me up. So this is what we are doing. You can actually see the difference between here and here, because this is the color I want it. I'm going to pluck the front to make it look a little bit natural. This side isn't plucked. So stay tuned, something good is coming up. And yeah, so don't forget, you can order this hair from Unihair, from their IG page. They have a website. I installed this wig from scratch for you guys to see the quality and every detail about this wig. So yeah guys, we are through. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing and liking. And until our next